Hi, Assalamu alaikum. How are you to all? You know that Pi Network is recently launched one topic. This is the Pi Network Hackathon. So today I discuss that Pi Network Hackathon. So you do not subscribe my channel. First of all, you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So here I go. This is this topic. This is join the Pi Hackathon. Hi pioneers, the Monday is Pi today and we hope everyone ready for the start for Pi Hackathon. Join the hackathon through a brainstorm app below for registration, project addition and term formation. Tap above the more information. So we'll go read more, click Hackathon participation. The Brainstorm app will support hackathon registration, addition and term formation process. You are participate in the hackathon as individual developer or as term thought brainstorm. For technical developer participant, as technical screen test will be issued to vet developer skill and will be granted a verified developer budget once passed. Then non-technical participant can propose their ideas and engage with developers through the PyChat integrate inside Brainstorm to form term and build your project. The Pi Hackathon will accept terms working on either type 1 business apps or type 2 a subsystem apps. Award will be given to the project in each category. On Brainstorm, a list of app proposals have been published based on previous community review. For published project, participant can directly enroll in the hackathon. New proposals submitted to participate in the hackathon will still go through the same community building review cycle. Once the proposed project gets published based in its review, it will be enrolled. We encourage all pioneers to contribute to the blind review project during the hackathon to filter out noise and make sure that quality idea get published. Pi Network is also releasing a new Discord server next week for development. Then third, Discord terms will able to collaborate and receive more developer research and announcement. Keep an eye out for this launch over the next few days. Overall, the Pi Hackathon will help foster the decentralized development for Pi's ecosystem on the Pi platform, leveraging the power of our global community to achieve the breadth and skill of traditional economies where real values and utilities are created. The next half of this year will ramp Pi up to its mainnet launch at the end of the year, and we are excited to share this journey with you. Thank you so much for watching.